I'm Mary Mailer. I'm a program manager for distance learning programs in the Whitaker College of Engineering here at Texas Tech University. As part of my responsibility in this role, I demonstrate classroom technology to instructors who may be new to campus or who maybe haven't worked with all of our newer technologies or seen them yet. And so in this video, I wanted to demonstrate for you technology that allows instructors to connect their devices, their mobile devices, to the internet in our rooms, even if they're not connected to an HDMI cord. So they would have, let's say, a laptop like this, and for whatever reason, they're not going to be using the HDMI cord. Another situation to where this technology would be relevant is if students are going to present to the screen from their seat in the back of the classroom using a laptop, but they're not going to be connected to an HDMI cord. So there's a technology called Clickshare, and this is a Clickshare button here, and you plug it into your device and it connects through a Bluetooth system to the internet and allows for a projection up onto the screen. So now there's a couple of different Clickshare pucks or buttons in our various rooms, and this one requires like a little adapter to go into an HDMI port, and usually it's right on the end of the puck when you come in the classroom. So what you would need to do is just plug that into your port on your mobile device, and you come over to the lectern here and select the input option for Clickshare, and this screen will come up. This is what it looks like. You know you're on Clickshare. You see like the Clickshare button there. Okay, now I have the Clickshare. It is plugged into my device here, and there's a white light that glows on the Clickshare. And it's glowing, it's looking for some software that I've already installed on my system. And if you haven't already installed it, it will install itself in your folders, in your folder system. And so you just go into your File Explorer and you look down in your drives. Like I can see the Clickshare drive right now, it's spinning, it has this white glowing thing. It's just below my C drive, and it's in the D drive, and it says Clickshare. So I'm going to twirl that down, and I can see that it's already loaded some software onto this laptop, okay? And you'll be able to see your Clickshare, the application loaded onto your device as well. Sometimes you'll need to open it and extract that application information, but it's just a matter, if you have Windows or Mac, picking the folder that's applicable to your setup, selecting it, and then opening it, and it will do its loading of the application, all of the work for you after that. Okay, so you just plug it in here and click on the center, and it starts to turn red. There you go. Now everything that is, available to me on my laptop is right here. Like I can go up to Google here and open a web page. All right, so you could do the same thing with a PowerPoint, and you could just pass this button around to your students and they can present from their own chair. Then they just plug this into their mobile device, and away you go. Everything is presented right up there on the screen. So Clickshare is a great conferencing tool, and it's very versatile. All right, so you can do this as well if you have a tablet. Sometimes you will have to use a Clickshare application that's available on the web, all right, and you wouldn't use a puck, okay? And if you have trouble with this, I will see on my monitor and I'll come in and help you. But if you have a small tablet and you go out to the internet and you load that application on your tablet one day, let's say, and you come in here and you start up your tablet, you know where the application is because you loaded it, just start it, and what will happen is a code will come up here on the screen, and you type the code into the application, and you'll have the same system, just the same. Now, in part of that process, you may be asked for a password to be able to access the Clickshare network that's running through the school systems here. And the password for that is just Clickshare, CLICKSHARE. It's all small letters. Just type it in there, and you'll have your internet access just the same as what I have here. So now, if I were to take out the Clickshare, say I want to use it for some reason, the other connection that I wanted to just demonstrate for you is an HDMI. The thing with the HDMI connection, though, is you may need a special adapter for that. So I have an adapter right here. There's usually one right on the top of the lectern. But a lot of times, if you have a laptop, you know already that you're going to need an adapter. You probably already have one that works with your laptop. Just bring it in and plug it in, and you're going to select HDMI. Okay. So the other way that you can elect to connect your laptop device, obviously, is just by using the HDMI cord. And all of our lecterns have HDMI cords. They're usually just right on top. They're plugged in to an electrical port source on the lectern. And in most situations, you're probably going to need an adapter. And so usually, if you need an adapter, an HDMI adapter, you'll know, and you'll bring one with your laptop that will fit into the ports of your laptop. But it just gives you another option. So if you didn't want to use our PC system, if you had files on your laptop and you didn't want to try to save them to a OneDrive or something like that, you can bring in your laptop and connect that as well. Just plug it in, use your adapter, launch it into your laptop, and come over to the lectern and select HDMI input. And you'll be loaded onto the internet and be able to have access to your files just as if you were using a regular computer. So those are my technologies I wanted to demonstrate today. We have the Clickshare device, and I showed you the HDMI cable, and both of those have adapters, and the Clickshare device will usually have an adapter right in here that you can use, and usually you will bring your own adapter for your laptop, whatever you're going to require there, but it will plug right into our HDMI cord. All right. Now, if you have any questions, you can always email me. My email address is mary.mailer@ttu.edu. That's mary.mailer, and you can always phone my office as well. If you wanted to set up a in-person demonstration of the technologies at any time, you can just phone me or email me, and I'll set up an appointment with you. We can come in and meet in the room. I can give you time to practice with your equipment so you feel comfortable using it. I hope you found this helpful. Give me a call if you have any questions. I'm Mary Mailer. Thanks. Bye-bye.